Spending time in nature can improve memory, lower stress hormones, reduce depression and anxiety, among other perks. Really? That's a question we ask, right? Well, let's talk about this further. Welcome to Sharmina's channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Watch this video until the end. We have heard that nature can help clear your head, bring you into the present moment. The question is, how? How many of us feel down every now and then? Sluggish, stressed out, not feeling good, feeling down. The best way to combat depression naturally is nature. Nature presents scenes that gently capture your attention. Have we ever noticed how calming and soothing the sound of the waves is? Even working out in nature helps to reduce anxiety. Gym is okay, but once in a while, walking out in the open will boost your energy level. How can nature benefit my mental health? That's the question I'm sure everybody's asking. Well, spending time in a green space or bringing nature into your everyday life can benefit both your mental and physical well-being. Just to mention a few. Number one, it gives your brain the downtime it needs to recharge. Number two, vitamin D helps your body function more efficiently. Number three, it lowers stress hormone levels. Number four, breathing is your body's built-in stress buster. Number five, physical activity pumps up your endorphins. Let me ask you this question. When you think of rain, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? I'll give you a few seconds to think. Done. Most of us will say, when I think of rain, I think of umbrella, gray sky, getting wet, or some can go to the extreme of saying flood. You're right, but it's time to shift your focus to appreciating nature. Now, how about the sound of raindrops? How about rainbow? Do we think about that? Well, studies have shown that higher percentage of people who were interviewed said their mood improved after spending time outside, changing from depressed, stressed, and anxious to more calm and balanced. So the next time you see a weather change and it's rain and you don't like it, well, think of the positive side. Concentrate on your breathing. Think of the rainbow, the sound of the raindrop, just a different change in weather. And I hope, and hopefully, it's going to benefit you. While spending time in a green space or bringing nature into your everyday life can benefit both your mental and physical well-being. Contact with nature has restorative properties, increasing energy and improving feelings of vitality and focus. The next time you feel down, try listening to the sounds of the waves, raindrop, natural waterfalls. There are so many relaxing sounds available. Even look for it on YouTube. Now for the best part of my lovely viewers, my शायरी. आज मौसम कितना खुशगवार हो गया, ख़त्म सभी का इंतज़ार हो गया, बारिश की बूंदों गिरी कुछ इस तरह, लगा जैसे आसमान को ज़मीन से प्यार हो गया. Until then, stay strong, stay healthy, stay safe, keep watching Sharmina's channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.